That was so awesome. So if you're gonna do this, what's this called, Beaver Lake Trail, don't start at the village. It's an extra mile up this road and it sucks. If you do dial-a-ride or download the Village Connect app, you can take a free, like a, what is it called? Like a tour bus, tram, straight to the trailhead. And you can start right where it begins. We've got about 1.75 miles. We got about another mile to go. Nice steady climb uphill. I've already gone up about 860 feet.
Hi, puppy. Look at your ponytail. Look how cute you are.
Got your punk rock here?
Yeah.
These are like Charlie Brown Christmas trees. All right. Hey, it's time to take a break. Almost there. A couple more feet up this hill, I think. Hanging in there.
Almost there, Stacy. Almost there.
Let's see this cliff over here. Be a nasty spill down that hill. Let's press on. We made it, but my gas tank is empty. So beautiful. Oh yeah, we're at 2.63 miles. Took us 81 minutes, almost 82 minutes. 588 calories. Not too shabby. We're at what, 9,700 feet of elevation?
We climbed 1,325, so I don't know.
It's nice and cool up here. Anyway, let's check out the lake. So it's been about a good 15 minutes up there, just relaxing, taking in the sights, getting some good pictures and video. Now we're heading down a little bit here to the Royal Elk Trail. We'll take that over the we're in one valley, and we're gonna take that over to the other valley. So we gotta climb and then go downhill, and then we'll eventually hit that gondola, hopefully. Look at these views though. Hike is definitely worth the little bit of strenuous climb you have to endure. So we made it down to Royal Elk Trail right here. Now we have to go all the way up that side of the mountain, can't really tell, and then down the other. Here we go. I forgot to mention, it's better to hike up to the lake and then hike over and take the gondola down, because the gondola is free. But if you take the gondola up, it's like $42 a person. It's a little steep. That's good for all day. So we just hiked up the side of Bachelor Gulch, and we're about to peak. Now we're gonna head over the other side to Beaver Creek Gulch. Right now we're heading across a ski slope. This is what it looks like in the summertime. You probably get about, I don't know, 10 feet of snowpack on here. You don't even know these rocks are here. This is treacherous. Just imagine flying down this hill in the wintertime. This has got to be a black diamond or a double black diamond. And then there's like a cliff ledge right here. I don't know if that drops off or what. So I was right. This is actually a double black diamond. Gorgeous views though, gorgeous. We hiked all the way from way over there, down around that ridge to the lake. This hike is kicking our ass. I think we're almost there though. Like another quarter mile. The good thing is it's not too hot. Although you got sun directly on you at about 10,000 feet. Whew. We made it. We made it. You thirsty? I'm thirsty. Let's get some water. You thirsty?
They're not coming up this way. No.
So let's go ahead and ride this gondola down and relax. Okay, so we got dropped off like right here. Hiked all the way up to Beaver Lake. And then walked all the way over. All the way over. Then the last push uphill. Now we're gonna take the gondola all the way down. Relax, eat lunch, and shop. On our way back down. Feels so good.
Filthy.